Hello and thanks for stopping by. Let's make some cinnamon pancakes and I'm sure you're going to love them. So without further ado, let's get ready to bake. For today's ingredients, I have 1.5 cups of self-raising flour and I used the standard measuring cup. I have sugar, an egg, salt, half a cup of water, half a cup of milk, my cinnamon, and my cooking oil. So I'll start by sifting my flour. This step is not really necessary, but huwa inasaidia kutoa the lumpy particles. Yeah, so these are the small particles that I wanted to get rid of. And now you can see that my flour is very fine. I'm going to go in with my sugar and I'll add about 3 teaspoons. You can also adjust and add according to how much you like. I'm also going to go in with a pinch of salt. Mix this well. I'm also going to add my cinnamon, and this cinnamon goes a little goes a long way. So I'm just going to add about a pinch because it can be overpowering. And I'm also going to mix this. Then I'm going to add my egg. Oops. So I always wash my egg before I start using it, just in case something like that happens. Then I'm going to add this about half a cup of milk, also the standard measuring cup, and I'm going to add it in. And this is also half a cup of water, but I don't think I'm going to use all of it. Then I'm going to mix this till it forms a very big paste. Then I can adjust my water accordingly. So as I can see, it is well incorporated, and now I'm going to be adding my water. So I've used about 1 cup of liquid. You can also use plain water if at all you do not take milk, and you can also use plain milk if at all you love milk. So as I can see, this is a very good consistency. So for my oil, I'm going to add it right here because I'm using a non-stick pan, and so I won't have to keep adding oil to the pan each and every time I add a new pancake. So I'll just add about half of that, and I'm going to mix this well until everything comes in together. So this is the perfect consistency, not thick, not very thin. And so I'm going to start cooking them. So once my pan is hot, I'm going to be adding this 1 spoon. Spread it a little bit and then let it cook. You can also check out my other pancakes recipe that I've made. I've made the banana pancakes and I've also made some black pancakes. These particular black pancakes are very nice for any age. It's good for children, it's good for adults, it's good for the youth. Also, I'm going to be cooking this on medium-low flame, and once you see bubbles appearing on the top part, know that the bottom side is ready and you can flip it. So once the top part is completely dry, you can now flip it. And look at this. This is so beautiful. Look at this beautiful color, and the aroma in here. Kunanuka like a fresh bakery. So my first pancake is ready, and as you can see, haina mafuta mingi, and this is perfect. So people, we've come to the end of today's episode, and as you've seen, making delicious pancakes, cinnamon pancakes, is very easy. I hope you give it a try and let me know how it goes for you. The recipe to this cinnamon honey milk is in my next video, so be sure to check it out. Also, give it a try and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So I'm going to give it a taste test, and as you can see, my pancakes are very fluffy, very soft, looking all good. Yeah, so I'm going to give it a taste test. The pancakes, you can taste the cinnamon. Inaingiana vizuri sana. And then they are well done. Also, for the milk, you can taste the honey, you can also taste the cinnamon. And I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. So check out for my next video. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss on any of my uploads, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.